Getting Internet and Remote Access to Your Computer Worldwide. Chapter 1. Use cyber cafes and access your home computer. Cyber cafe danger info. All cyber cafes and public terminals are inherently insecure, so when you make a money transaction on PayPal or through your bank, you are leaving all that information on the computer for savvy con artists affiliated with that cyber cafe business to steal from you. Cyber cafes install monitoring and logging software to keep track of time online for billing. Every stroke you type is right there for them to see. If a crook works there, it's your loss. Cyber cafe info/internet cafe. Retail cyber cafes in the real world are retail establishments with computers where you can use the internet for a few bucks an hour or for the purchase of a coffee and a donut. They're big in poor countries because loads of people don't own computers. They're big in Thailand and the Philippines. Wherever you go in the world, you can usually get free internet usage at a public library. Some places charge a few bucks to buy a library card, after which you can use their computers. amcc.org.mx, Cyber Cafes in Latin America. Cyberbreakcafe.com. Cybercafe.com. cyber-cafe.com. Cybercafes.com. Cybercaptive.com. cybergat.com. Cyberhall.com. Cyberjava.com. Cyberplace.com. Cybersmith.com. cyber-star.com. cyber-state.com. cybersurf.co.uk, Britain. easyinternetcafe.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/internet_cafe. Greasy.com, Global Roaming Internet Consortium. internetcafeguide.com. ipass.com. kinkos.com. netcafeguide.com. netcafes.com. Remote access to your computer with laptop or from a cyber cafe. Some people say taking a laptop on a trip is too cumbersome and easy to steal. Go to internet cafes and use gotomypc.com or whatever service you want to access your home computer. teamviewer.com. logmain.com. gotomypc.com. getdropbox.com. sugarznc.com. jungleDisk.com. remote-desktop-control.com/remote-solutions, solutions using remote desktop control software. remoteexplorer.com. shiva.com, remote access software. remotedesktopsearch.com. computer help for travelers. arvaircomputerhelp.com, computer tech help for rovers and travelers. Free computer help to rovers and travelers, a free computer tips newsletter. 5starsupport.com, free computer help and technical support along with thousands of tips, tricks, tutorials, DLL file downloads and much more. acmehowto.com. allcomputerfix.com. asknerd.net. askpcexperts.com/articles/solving-computer-problems.html. asktcl.com, the computer lady. bleepingcomputer.com, computer help and discussion, a free web-based community and discussion forum for answering computer help, security and technical questions. christianT.com/laptops/free-inline-computer-help.htm. freecomputerhelp.com, free computer help using online remote support technology. compinfo-center.com, the Computer Information Center. The site provides access to computer knowledge bases, manufacturers and support, news, events, magazines, etc. compu-help.us, free computer help for computer problems. computercareanywhere.com. computercleaningguide.com, information on care and cleaning, sorted by element. computerclinic.info. computerdoctors.net. computerforum.com. computerguru365.blogspot.com. computerhelp.com. computerhelp101.com. computerhelpatos.com. computerhelptoday.blogspot.com. computerhope.com, technical support on a variety of subjects. computerhope.com/basic.htm, basic computer troubleshooting steps. freecomputerconsultant.com. free-computer-help.co.uk. freecomputerhelp.info. freecomputerzone.com. freeonlinepcrepair.com. freeregistryfix.com. geeks.com/tech-tips. pcdocpro.com. pcguide.com. supporthelp.com, one-stop site for locating contact information hardware and software manufacturers. repair4keyboard.org. repair4laptop.org. repairfaq.org.